everyone, welcome back to The Dish. So all show long we've been helping you celebrate mom, come up with great gift ideas, but how about personalizing it a little bit more, maybe a DIY? And here to help us do that is our expert. It's time for Trending with Signature Mike. Thank you so much for coming back on.
Always fun, absolutely.
This is so cool. I love all the ideas you brought. I can't wait to share them, but first of all, doesn't he look good? He's lost 30 pounds.
Yay!
You've been doing great.
I look much better on the camera now.
No, you always look good on camera, but I'm so proud of you. I'm so excited for you.
Thank you so much.
Let's get to it.
Well, you know, Mother's Day is a very specialized holiday.
That's right.
We really want to make a good impression on our mother on this one day of the year. It's her day.
Yes.
You want to make her feel special.
Exactly.
I have a special friend. She's not my mother. People think she's my mother. She's my girlfriend.
Hey-o.
And it's Marsha. And
Marsha,
she, you know, Marsha,
right.
she's a big fan of yours. She watches your show.
I love her.
So
Hey,
I'm going to
Marsha.
do this. She's probably going to see her Mother's Day before I get it. But
Yeah.
so I bought this M, and it lights up. And I'm just gluing.
So for Mom or Marsha.
You know, it's kind of boring as they sell it by itself, you know. So
you can personalize it a little bit more.
Exactly. Marsha, everything in her house is white, and if she goes crazy, it's beige or pink.
Okay, there
so
you go.
very
This is
muted. So
perfect.
wouldn't this look lovely in her kitchen?
Yeah, so that goes
M for
with
Marsha.
and for Marsha.
Yes.
That is perfect.
Very
I love
pretty.
that idea.
Very pretty.
And
You
you can
know,
personalize it a little bit more.
I'm a big guy about words. I love words. So we have this great frame here.
This is a beautiful frame.
Isn't that great? Put a picture of you and your mom in there.
That's right. You're a great mom, Mom.
I love
Great
words.
idea,
I love
of course.
that. You know, we all have parties, candy. Well, you don't need this for a party. Some people said candy out all year long, or nuts and that kind of thing. These are something I carry in the store.
Okay.
And I think they're very
So
well
you're
priced.
ready to go.
Ready to go. You come in, we gift wrap, and I think these are super nice gifts.
Multifunctional, you can purpose it, reuse it again and again. So
Absolutely.
this is a lasting gift.
These are nice and feminine for your mother.
That's right.
What would Mother's Day be without floral?
Of course.
So I have a little bit of both. I have a fresh floral here, which
Okay.
is super nice. Look at this great vase. And this is something,
so
you could
cute.
paint that on a white vase if you couldn't find this vase. I love tropical plants. I like something a little different. And it kind of looks like she's wearing a hat there.
Well, and you can even do this yourself. If you find a nice vase that you kind of want to personalize and then create the bouquet yourself.
That's right, absolutely.
The
and
arrangement.
Then we have some silk plants. I have another tropical here. And then I have
So just in case you can't take care of flowers
but you
like
know,
us.
we cannot. We've talked about
Yes.
this. So this is a beautiful orchid. It looks real, and it's gonna look lovely.
That's right.
So dishware, dinnerware.
course.
So we have this great Michael Aram dinnerware.
So depending on what you're looking for, I mean, this is an extravagant gift.
It
It's
is.
so beautiful.
And you could do maybe just a salad plate
Right.
and mix it up with the dinner plate that
Well,
you have.
and maybe as Mother's Day throughout the years, you can continuously get.
That's a great idea.
Right?
This is a great one to layer, and you can monogram
Personalize
your
that
salad
as
plate.
well.
Yes,
M for
It has a
Mama.
monogram
Or
mug
Marsha.
over there. Yes, M for Marsha. Let's say you want to do something special for your mom. You could wallpaper a ceiling in a bathroom or something. This
in
looks
her
like
vanity area or something.
This is a really super
That's a creative
gift,
idea.
I think. And you know, especially if you're a military mom, you might have traveled and lived in different places. You can get these very inexpensively on eBay.
Well, I know you brought this one for me, didn't you?
And
Texas?
Kentucky is for me, and I came
That's
from
right.
D.C. and Maryland, so here we go.
There you go. Here we
Yeah,
are.
so these are a nice personalized gift. And
This
you can,
is so cute.
You can certainly have these in a bar area or in the kitchen,
Be
something
collector's
like that.
items.
The last thing I'm going to show you is something very special that I had an artist in Kentucky make for a friend of mine. He wanted something special for his mother.
I love this,
And
guys.
his grandmother, his mother's mother, was a big cook.
Okay.
So she had many recipes.
Right.
So I had an artist render a recipe of hers with a picture of the mother.
With her picture. This is such an incredible idea and something that's very personal. I would love something like this.
Yeah.
My mom and my grandma were fantastic, amazing cooks, and so how great is this?
You can frame it, hang it on the wall in your kitchen. It makes a great
It's an
gift.
art piece, but it's also, you can reference back to it just in case you
Very
forget the recipe, right?
personalized. Yeah, and then
Very
you can
personalized.
photocopy this and give it to other relatives through the year.
Right.
You know, for
So
birthdays or
personal.
Christmas, that kind of thing.
Well, listen, I love all your ideas, and hey, if you guys are running out of them, and maybe it's not for Mother's Day, but just all year round, you can go and visit Mike at Signature Home off of Fury's Ferry. And if you haven't seen his house yet, oh my goodness, it is a testament to what you do.
We just finished a big renovation, so.
It is amazing. Mike, thank you so much for being
Always
here.
a pleasure. Thank you so much.
All right.